Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Bridget. I work for VIPKid, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I get ready for class each morning. So I use a program called Google Slides, and Google Slides is a compilation of a ton of digital props. So when you first start with VIPKid, they suggest using physical props. So that could be a whiteboard, flashcards, magnetic letters. I use some stuffed animals and some plushies, and I also have, some food props and quite a few other things. But I mainly use digital props now. And I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to use digital props and how much quicker you will be able to get ready for class. So when I first started, I was probably taking 10 to 15 minutes per class to get ready. Of course, I didn't know the materials. I was very nervous. I just wasn't very comfortable with that yet. But even once I became more comfortable, it still was taking me a long time to get ready. So with digital props, I'm now able to get ready for all of my classes, which is between 6 and 8 classes each morning. All of my classes within 10 or 15 minutes. This program is absolutely phenomenal and is completely free to all VIPKid teachers. So let's take a look at what I use. This is, of course, my classrooms page. So I need to copy the classes that I'm going to teach tomorrow morning. So I teach 8 classes. I'm going to copy those classes and go over here. Now this is a Google Sheets, and this will give me all the links to the Google Slides that I use for props. So I'm going to paste that information from the VIPKid page into the sheets. All I do is click on this one button. I'm going to give it a second to do its magic, and then it'll load my planner. So here we are. This is the planner. So this has all of my kids, their names over here, has all of the lesson codes for each child, and then this is the column that will have the props that I use for that class. So this particular student, her American name is Coco, and her course is L3U2 LC14. So I need to find a set of props that I will use for this, and all of my prop options are over here in the greenish yellow cells. I'm going to open each one up to go through and pick the one that I want to use for this particular lesson. Now there is no rhyme or reason, well, I shouldn't say that, there is no set guidelines on, which prop you should use. This is all up to the teacher's opinion. So I'll just tell you guys, what I personally look for is not too overwhelming, too much going on, small text. Of course, I want to make sure that it follows the materials and so on. So I'll go through each one and do a quick scan. And so I've narrowed it down to 3 different ones, and pretty sure I'm going to choose this one. Now the only thing that I need to remember now is the person's name that is up at the top. Now this is the teacher that created this slide. So I need to remember her name, Beth Pender. I'm going to go back over to my planner. So I need to find the course code for this particular slideshow units. This is the one, MCL3U2 LC14. I'm going to copy it and then go down to my favorites tab. I'm going to click find and paste, and here we go. This is where I want to be, this empty green cell right here. I'm going to back over to my planner tab and find the cell that had the slideshow in it that I want. I'm going to copy that cell, go back to my favorites, and then paste it in this cell. right, so now this box used to be empty for column H. Now this has the slideshow in it that I'm going to use for my class tomorrow morning. The rest of these you see are already filled. That is because I have taught these courses before and I have already found the slideshows that I want to use for those particular courses. So I could have taught that class 2 months ago. The favorite props is still going to be here. And it's really helpful, so it makes getting ready for class each morning a breeze because I have taught so much that a lot of these cells are already full. So the only other thing that I would do is I now go through my favorite props that have already been, that were already put in the system. And since VIPKid has updated some of their materials, I go through and make sure that my slideshow props still match the new materials. And it's really that simple. The only other thing as far as getting ready is picking out the rewards that I want to use, but I'm not going to go into that today. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to figure out how to use the digital props and show you how quick it is to use the digital props and get ready. So let's take a quick look. This is the slideshow that I chose. I want to show you what it looks like. Just do a quick run through. So all of these help enhance the lesson, and sometimes there's even GIFs in here. There are really difficult words to try and use pictures to explain sometimes, so GIFs really help in the classroom. And there's a lot of times when there's not sentence frames in the VIPKid classroom, so you're just having to verbally tell the student, this is a cub. Sometimes that sentence frame won't be on the slide in the classroom, so using these digital slides really helps because the child can read and hear you say it. That's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will include a link to access all of these wonderful resources, and I will also give some links of where you can find a detailed tutorial of how to use this. So this was really just to show you how easy it is, how quick it is. I know I didn't go step by step on how to do everything. I know I was copying and pasting and using all sorts of shortcuts. If you watch the videos, it will make much more sense. So again, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will see everyone later. Bye!